Hi, hi everyone. Good morning. So yeah,
Hi,
no
very good
doubts.
morning.
Good morning.
Hi, Rajesh.
Hey, hey. So yeah, any doubts? Yeah. What happened, guys? No doubts.
Yeah, can I share screen?
Yes. Yeah, yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead and share the screen.
Yeah, just a second. Actually, I'm working on a sales data
Mm-hmm.
and I have duplicated it over here just for the reference sake. Hello, am I
Yeah, yeah,
audible?
yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah, the requirement is like we have the sales data based on the district wise or whatever the requirement we need to show us over here. After that, I need to show the value in a form of actual amount, crores, and lakhs. So I have created a parameter and also I have created a calculation for that. Now I can able to swipe here in the sense if at all I am choosing actual, it will show it in the actual. If I am choosing for the lakh, it will show the in lakh format. But here in my real time scenario, the situation is like whenever I am selecting on the actual, it is showing it in the form of after decimal point. After decimal point, it is showing two zeros. But whenever I'm choosing for the, I mean, either crores or lakhs, it is showing in the without, I mean, it is okay, it is fine. It is show, I mean, if it is showing in the decimal point, but client is not expecting in the actual amount also showing in the dot 00. In actual amount, it is always dot 00.
It should be dot 00. That is what you're saying.
It should not be.
No, you should not have any decimal value. That is what you're saying.
If I am choosing in the, I mean, format and all, whenever I am selecting on the crore also, there also it is eliminating the decimals. But here I required everything is in the single.
Yeah, I got it. So when it is actual, you don't need decimal, and when it is crore or lakh, you need decimal. That is what you're saying, right?
Correct, correct.
So first, can you go to the format of that
Calculation?
Yeah, no, no, no. Right click
Format
on
of,
that
yeah,
some
yeah,
actual slash. Yeah, go to format.
yeah.
Not that, not that. Right click on that some actual that is present in text.
Yeah, sorry.
Not that, not that, not that. Which is present in text. The marks card.
Yes,
Yeah,
this one.
yes, yes, yes. Format. Okay, now click on number. Number. Huh. Now go to custom. Here, just put 000 dot hash. Okay. I don't think we can remove. Okay. Now wait. Now with the dot there might be. Okay. Now go to your calculation. Open your calculation.
Can I keep it in the same way here?
Yeah. Let that be. In that, if null sales comma. Okay. You took. Mm, actually, if if you wait, your output will not. Okay, sum of sales by, yeah, doesn't matter when it is division. But if you take sum of sales, right, rather than taking sales, if you take sum of sales, we could have taken zero a round over that. When you take round, the decimal part will not be there.
Yeah, but the problem with what I'm facing over there is like if I need decimal point in crores and lakhs, there also it is rounding up.
No, open that calculation. When it is actual, and for that only you put round. Open that calculation again.
I got your point. I tried in that way also. You meant to tell in the actual you want here
Yeah.
the round, but it is showing the calculation error.
Because that is what I'm saying. Use sum of sales. Don't use sales. Use sum of sales and then round it. Sum of sales for everything, not only for actual, for lakh and crore as well. Yeah.
I will work on this and I will update. And meanwhile, you can
only put round for the actual, rest all you don't. And now when you convert this into sales, you will get that as a red. The calculation will be converted into red, stating there is a change in aggregation. So remove it and again add it. Okay.
Where I need to add the round before the sum?
You'll get it. You'll before, round of sum of sales. There, yes. Put that sum of sales in.
It's not popping up.
Okay, you can type ROUND. Just type in D.
Yeah.
Put that in braces. End brace. I think you need to put a brace. You need to put something brace before if null. You have an if null, right? Start a brace after if null. After if null. Yeah.
Just close the bracket of sum also.
Yeah, for sum of sales also there is a brace missing, right? Yeah.
Oh, no. Comma 0 before comma.
Yeah, there is a brace. Yes, and then one more brace is also required. Closing brace is required. Yeah, put a brace there, and the last. Yes. Yeah. Now you do the same for the rest. Don't use round for the others. Just put sum of sales. In the second line also put sum of sales, and third line also put sum of sales.
You need to give comma 0 also. Okay. First one. After one bracket.
Oh, wait, again, the brace should be after sum of sales, there should be one more brace, right? And in the last, and you are not closing that. Sum of sales, after that you should put a brace, right? Closing brace for sum of sales.
Yeah.
Yes. There it is. And the last, I think it is showing an error, right? The last brace, in the first line, last brace, right? Remove that. Just put that after sum of sales.
It is
because for the round, that is for
round,
the round.
Yeah.
Yes. Why is it still showing it?
You need to give comma 0 also, because round and decimal, like after closing one bracket of sum of, give comma 0, then give the bracket of round.
No, round will apply on sum of sales, and then if null will get applied.
I'm saying sum of sales bracket is closed, right? And after that, you need to give comma 0. Then it will round to 0.
No, you need not round. If you don't give any value, then it by default it is saying end is not. By default, it will take. Wait, what is the error here? By if null expected.
Comma 0. Sum of sales.
What is the issue? By okay, please work on that error. Let's see. Let others. Any other doubts, guys?
Yes, Rajesh.
Yeah. Okay. Do work on that. Work on what that error is. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Kavita, I will consider your point. I have seen your comment.
Kavita,
Thanks.
one more thing is round without zero also will work. Round without zeros, without any offset. After comma, if you don't put an offset, then it stays. It will remove the decimal value, right?
It will remove the decimal. That's why we have taken comma 0, because it will not give it two decimals.
No, the error is something else. It is not about that. The error is something else. Okay, doesn't matter. Any other doubts, guys? Any doubts?
Yes, Rayapati. Can I go?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. I'm presenting my screen.
Okay. Go ahead.
Okay, it's not sharing. Okay, I will tell you the scenario. Here, employee name and vendor name is present in the Excel. So, employee name was like Sai Jahnavi Atluri. And coming to vendor name, it's just a Jahnavi. Okay, and again in the second, there is some other name like Pavan Cherkuri. It's showing on in the vendor name they are taking only Pavan. In some other cases like Pravalika Bandi, it's like PB or else some other PK solutions or like it's showing. here we have to represent that which is not the correct format. Like ఇప్పుడు పీకే సొల్యూషన్స్ అని పెట్టుకుంటే అది ఫ్రాడ్ కింగ్ అనమాట.
Can you
Remaining
share
rest
better if you
yeah.
share your screen?
Yeah, it's in Mac. I couldn't able to actually. So
Because without seeing your screen.
yeah. Okay, tomorrow I can. You in మీ ఛానల్ చూసాను, దాంట్లో యాక్చువల్గా ఈ ఆర్జీఎక్స్ రెగ్యులర్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్ మీద వీడియోస్ కొంచెం పెడతారా క్లియర్గా?
No, it's about your situation now. Again, even if I put something about regular expression, that doesn't mean it will resolve your doubt, right? What is your doubt? Understanding that is more important.
ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళు ఏమడిగారు అంటే జాహ్నవి సాయి జాహ్నవి చరుకూరి బట్ వెండర్ నేమ్ లో జాహ్నవి ఉంటే దాన్ని కన్సిడర్ చేయొచ్చు, కానీ ఇలా పీకే సొల్యూషన్స్, ఎస్కే సొల్యూషన్స్ లేదా కన్సిడర్లీ డిఫరెంట్ నేమ్ మీద పెడుతుంటే దాన్ని ఫ్రాడ్ కింద కన్సిడర్.
You what use contains function, na?
Okay.
Now see, there is a column which contains Jahnavi, right?
Yeah.
And there is a column that you will contain vendor name, right?
Okay.
Now the thing that you need to do is, let me show.
Okay.
Now only you need to use this contains. Contains, right?
Okay.
The actual string is, I'm just typing this vendor name, right?
Yeah.
Comma your name. If you do this in the vendor name, if your name is present, then only it will give as true, else it will give as false.
Okay.
So that
name
will
name is the employee name, vendor name is the vendor name column.
Yes.
Name is also a column, right?
Yeah, this is also a column, this is also a column.
Okay, I will
But
try.
You have to one thing you need to identify is, if this name is having Jahnavi Atluri,
okay,
and this is only having Jahnavi, this will not give you a proper output. So for that you need to split this name, Jahnavi one column, Atluri one column. Now you can check for, this is name one, you can check for other ways also, or the same condition, right? The same condition with name 2, which after splitting whatever you get.
Yeah.
So this will give you those companies which are having your name. You need not, you see, don't go for regular expression for everything, because regular expressions sometimes they are performance ineffective.
Okay.
So whatever you can resolve with the native functions, go ahead with them.
Yeah, sure. But it's my request. I didn't understand that properly, so I was requesting you to upload videos on that. So
okay,
if possible.
It takes time, because let's see. If I get time, I'll definitely.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Thanks.
Okay, guys, any doubts?
Yes, sure.
Yeah.
Here, Gopal.
Hi.
Yeah, hi, Rajesh. Rajesh, actually, the client requirement is that already we have created different tables and into the different dashboards.
Mm-hmm.
That this is financial dashboard. So how to merge that different tables in that total into one dashboard?
You want to merge. There is no automatic way of merging. You have to redesign your dashboard, right?
Sorry?
There is no automatic way of merging the dashboard. You need to redesign your dashboard, right? What do you mean by merging?
Merging mean actually we have for example we have a warehouse table. In that table we have MTD, YTD, like that. So forth. In below the total we have same like financial operation. These two table, based on these two table, I want to show another dashboard that the total value comes here, and when we click that warehouse, that will show another dashboard like this table.
You are again confusing.
Okay, I'll tell in Telugu. So actually ఎలా అంటే నార్మల్ గా ఇప్పుడు మనం ఒక డాష్ బోర్డ్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి.
Let's stick to English if possible, because others are also there, right?
Yes. Yeah, okay. So I want to prepare the dashboard. the financial dashboard, like profit and loss, how we show the left hand side and profit and loss depreciation, how
No,
we
see,
want
wait. First thing, let's talk it structurally. You have two tables and you have two dashboards. That is what you're saying.
Yeah, two tables.
Two tables. From these
Yeah.
two tables, are you having one dashboard or two dashboards?
No, I want to show in one dashboard only that two tables values,
Okay,
total value.
wait.
Only.
Now, are these two tables related in any way?
Yes.
Then go for relationships or joins, right? Depending on whatever it is, and then bring them in here and you can show it, right?
Okay.
Go for a join or a relationship, and then establish your tables properly. Bring back here and then use it.
Can I write any calculation field for that, or else not required?
No, like once you have done your join or relationships, you can do whatever you want. You can write because it is again you can create your calculations, you can write your LODs, you can build your sheets, you can from those you can build your dashboards, everything you can.
Okay.
Those two tables, join them based on that joining condition. Whatever is the joining condition, based on that, join them and bring the data, the resultant data, bring it to dashboard and work on it.
I think his query is to how to get edit relationships, I think.
Wait, are you talking about two published data sources?
No.
Then there is nothing about edit relationships, right? When there are two tables, they can bring one table, and are these two tables in two different data sources?
No, in the same data source.
But then fine, right? You can directly drag them and you can create relationships.
Yeah, I have created the table also. Then, but on that table, total values only I want to show another dashboard.
You can show another dashboard. No, I don't understand the complication here.
Okay, I'll share screen tomorrow.
Okay, yeah, better, because without knowing that, it's hard to identify and address the scenario.
Yeah. Thanks, Rajesh.
Hi, Rajeshwar.
Hi.
I just have a doubt. Let me share my screen once.
Okay.
Before we discuss this doubt as well. Yeah. Can you see my screen?
About.
Okay.
Yeah.
See, previously we have designed this one, right?
Yeah.
You remember, I think.
Yeah.
So here we are selecting the 2020-21 whatever. So I want to select multiple values. Then in parameter.
No, in parameter multiple value selection option is not there.
Not possible, right? So for that we need to go with the filter only, right?
Yeah, you can go ahead and take filters. Yes.
But I'm not able to take the filters
Now you created calculation, right? Only show filter. Go for show filter. Okay. Now convert that. No, not in the year. Convert that into month. No. Don't do that. Again, okay. Wait. Why are you using for parameter? Take year. Go edit that. Why are you using parameter now? Just take amount 2021. You did not do anything. Because see, when you are using parameter, you wrote that calculation because you want to make that parameter work on that field, right? Now just bring amount 2021. You need not do anything.
Shall I bring here?
Even there or to the field. You already have some amount 2021, right? Open that.
But
just bring amount. You need not bring 20. Okay, wait. When it is 2021, you want to get 2021 data, right? That is what you see.
No. Here he'll select whatever he wants. In 2021, we have January to December.
Wait. So you mean to say there are two filters, and in one filter he will be selecting 2021 data, and in the other filter he will be selecting 2022. Based on those two, the value should be changing.
And multiple values you can select, in 2022 Jan, February, 2022
the
March,
two
April,
years that are present in here. But again, you mean to say, if Wait, will he be selecting Jan 2021 and Feb 2022? Is that possible?
Yeah, as per his wish, like he'll select to the in this field. Like
Now,
in drop
now,
down, we need to
now,
have.
wait. Now, my next question is, when it is multiple selection, if he selects Jan and Feb in the first and March and April in the second, what should be your output and what should be your variance?
Based on the month's value, months.
Okay, so those 2 months cumulative there and these 2 months cumulative here, and then based on that the selection is happening. Okay, so
I need two filters like this, but it should be multiple selector. It is possible only filter, but I'm not able to do
no,
filters. That's the
here
issue.
the problem is you are trying to apply the same filter, the two filters on the same sheet, which are contradicting one another. So
Yes, sir.
when you apply that, one here it is going. Okay, just a minute. Okay, let me share my screen.
Sure.
Share my screen. So here, this is order date, right? I'm writing two calculations. This is 2022. Duplicate, edit. This is 2021. Okay. Now this is 2022. Where is 2022 and 2020? So I'm creating custom date on this at the month year level. Again, I'm creating custom date on this at the month year level. Okay. Now on this, I'm creating a set. Even on this, I am creating a set. Okay. Now, if month year set, then
Sales.
this is
2021 sales.
2021 sales. Now, if then sales, and this is 2022 sales. Okay. Now again, I'm bringing my category just like you brought it here.
Yeah.
I'm bringing 2021 sales, and then I'm also bringing 2022 sales, right? Now, show set. I will.
Now,
Now here, I'm selecting Jan 21, so I'm getting value according to that. Here I'm rejecting Jan and Feb 22. I'm getting.
can you create variance 2021 as sales minus 2022 sales
This is
and bring
nothing.
it to that into visualization?
This is just this. This
Okay.
minus
Variance. Difference. Let's see here.
okay.
Can you change any 2 months like Jan, February? Can you select 2021? Okay. Okay, you said we can make it possible, right?
Yes.
Oh, sure. I'll try once from my
Only
side, right?
problem is this null, and to hide this
This
null.
null will be the 21, 22.
Now to hide this null, I'm not sure. Context will help. Again, I think you have to live with this null, because if we try to hide this null, this is again a problem, because this is containing the restaurant data, which will filter from
Restaurant,
that.
yeah.
You have to live with this null. Okay.
Okay, sure. I'll come.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Any other doubts, guys? Someone?
Okay.
Just a moment. Okay. Good. Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead, Pavan. Anyone?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, is there any possible to make it as a checkbox instead of the selection of filter in the text column?
Not sure. I didn't get you. Wait, just a moment. What is that you want?
This is the furniture, right? Instead of selecting the category as a filter, we need to check it if you want to look into the furniture sales. You just need to click on that box, whatever the we need to supply in that visualization only the checkbox. Because of
Again.
in the filter, we are getting the checkbox, right? So instead of that, before the category, we need to make it as a checkbox list. So by click on that checklist, we
Here.
can
You want checkbox in the view?
yeah.
Checkbox. I didn't get you. You mean to say you can show filter itself, right?
No, not for the selection of filter. In the visualization only, the client wanted to check that because of the,
Okay, you mean to say if he selects on furniture, then it should work. It should what do you say? Work as like that should work. That furniture should act
as
as
a
a
filter.
go for parameter actions, right? Now here I'm creating a parameter just as a string. Okay. Now here now when you click on furniture, okay, I need to write that. No, the problem is getting them back. Wait. Mm, so I'm bringing this calculation 3 into, I'm selecting 2, apply. Okay. Wait. Okay, I didn't change that. Just wow, what happened? Wait, what is parameter one value? It is null. Where is it going? Okay, let me do it. When I select furniture, only furniture is visible. When I uncheck it, the total value is visible. Is this how they want, right?
See, try to place as a category as a filter.
Category as a filter.
Okay.
Right.
Here they are.
Okay.
Here there is the furniture, office, technology, right?
Yeah.
In the selection of that filter, we are checking that we want to. If you wanted to look into the furniture, we will check that tick mark, right?
Yes.
So that tick mark should be displayed before the category.
Here.
Yeah.
This tick mark should be. Wait.
Yeah, based on the tick mark selection, the filter should be happen.
That is what I'm saying. Like here, you can put you want a tick mark here.
Yeah. Instead of here, we are working like by using the action filter by selecting of the furniture. We will get that furniture as a filter out. But in client requirement is instead of clicking on the furniture, they should click on that tick mark.
Here they want a tick mark. Then you can place a field, place a shape, right? But again, it's not possible to get in a start. I think before this, I think it is not possible.
Or else in the right side of any side in that beach.
Yeah, then in shapes, right? Okay, these three are there. Okay, I'm just taking one, and I'm placing category in shapes. Going to shape, and here, just like you have selected, I'm just selecting these ticks rather than what you said. I'm just selecting these ticks. If I remove this also, now you can see these ticks, right?
Yeah.
Now again, if someone clicks, only that tick is visible. The rest all are gone.
Yeah, is there any possible to replace that without the tick mark in the square box?
Again, can you come again?
Right now there is no selection, right?
Okay.
So it should be displayed a blank square box.
These two should be, all these should be blank. That is what you're saying.
A blank square box. If I selected
Then,
the furniture, then it
right.
should be displayed tick mark in the square box.
Calculation 3 is equal to none. Then else there will be some text. What round will do? Y is calculation 3 itself is not calculation 3. What is this? Parameter, right? That is my calculation 4. I'm bringing this to shape. Then it is none. I don't know if I can get a. Okay, let me select this ticket. Let me select this one. Okay. Calculation for to color. This is in. Is not visible. Now I'm selecting on category. Okay, now someone is selecting on furniture, you're getting that tick. If someone is unselecting that, nothing is visible.
Okay.
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 Adding to this, can we add?
Pardon?
Adding to this, can we
also affect the summary if there is a summary value or totals. So whenever we click on like furniture, office supply, it will impact also like the summary totals that of that particular furniture, office supplies of that one.
Still not clear. You mean to say you want sales measures in here?
Yes.
Actually, the measures is a problem which is coming. Okay. Now let me check furniture. See, it is coming over this. That is my problem. Here it is coming over this. If you see. That is the problem. Or else, why are you using ticks in here? Let me go here. Okay, what image can we take? Some image, yeah. Okay, let me take some random image. I'm taking this one. Just a image. Now in calculation 4, let me go to that. I need not use shapes actually. Is none, then it is null. Okay, sorry. When it is none, then it is null. When it is have, it is this image. Right? Now I'm bringing, I don't want this shape or something. Let me convert this to text. I don't want this shape also. I'm bringing calculation in here. Now it is blank, right? Someone selects some furniture, you get the image. Again, you'll get the measure value as well.
But it is possible for multi-selection, like if somebody select furniture and office supplies.
Then go for, rather than using parameter, then go for set. Like category, create, set, and in this set, okay, we'll go to calculation 4. No, I don't need this. If, let me do one thing. Duplicate calculation. I want to edit whatever we already done. I'm writing another calculation. If category set, then what happens? I'm taking this one. And then this. Now bring this calculation file. Right. Now go to worksheet, actions, change action, change set values, assign value, remove value to category set. Okay. Yeah. Now there is my category set. Show set. Now if you select all, you will get. So whatever you select, based on that, you will get. Okay?
But this is again, it's come to into the filter actually.
Pardon?
Again, this came into the filter
Okay,
actually.
You can even do
User
this.
want to select multi-select on like
You can even do this.
table.
You can even do this. Here. Now multiple selections like this. Select both of them. We have. No, not a good. I'm selecting two of them. For those two only left. The other one you are not. Right?
Yes, that is there.
Pardon?
Yeah, it is right.
Actually speaking, I need not use this true here. Now what happens is you can select one, that will come. If you select 1 and 2, those two to come, Select the 3, for the 3 of them it will come. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It was actually.
Any other doubts, guys?
One more thing, can we connect the data from the API data source to
Pardon?
Tableau directly?
API, I need you to share that environment with me, because I don't have any, I didn't work on API. So you need to share that with me, then only I can tell you about it. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. Okay. Any other doubts, guys?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. 10:26. Last doubt, guys. Yeah.
Hi, sir. Yeah, I created a sales bin. How do it will be differentiate the sales? Suppose the sales size is 100. The first 100, what values it shows? I think.
You created a sales bin. So on sales, you have created a bin. Okay. So here bin size you took as 100, right? That's what you see. Okay. So whatever the sales that are between 100, 0 to 100, will get in first bin. I'm bringing the sales bin in here, right? Now I'm bringing sales in here. Now going here, I'm unchecking it. Now if you see whatever value you got for 0 to 0, bin 0, right? You will only get the values that are between 0 and 100, but between 0 and below 100, not 100. Okay, till 100, sorry, you are getting it till 100. I don't know whether this is because of round or something. Now here, 100 it will take between 100 and 200, all the values. You are seeing this, right? So if you aggregate, the aggregation is saying this aggregation. This aggregation is saying between 0 to 100, whatever the sales values are, if you aggregate all of them, you will get 19553. Okay. Okay. Any last doubt if anyone has? Yeah, Venkatesh. Just a moment, guys. Just a moment. Okay. I think there are no more doubts, right? Okay, again, we'll meet tomorrow the same time, guys. Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thanks, Rajesh.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.